Going on YouTube, Sammy here with another video. Just wanted to share, if you have one of these catch cans on your Ford F-150, one thing you want to watch out for is if the vehicle, if you feel the motor kind of shaking and stuff, most likely the catch can is full. So that's one way I always I can tell, because you can tell that the engine's misfiring because you're getting oil in those chambers. And once that catch can is all the way up to the top, it's just throwing oil in that engine. So I just took mine off, and it was sure enough, it was shaking. The engine was shaking, and sure enough, the catch can is full of oil. So I just wanted to share that real quick. Thank you very much for watching.